If you completely decompose 15.6 grams of hydrogen peroxide, how many grams of oxygen O2 gas will you produce? So first you have to look at the sig figs. Right here, it tells you that you'll have to use 3 sig figs for this equation at the end of the answer. So second, we want to look at, is this equation balanced? And it is not. So we have to make an RP table. So first, we are going to do H and O. There are 2 H's and 2 O's on the left side. And on the right side, there are 2 hydrogen and 3 oxygen. So up here, we have to balance these equations out. So if we put 2 right here, it will make it 4 and 4. So now we have to balance out these equations. First thing to do is see there's only one H, which is 2, and we have to make it 4, so we have to put a 2 here, which makes this 4 and this 2. Now, O2 plus O2 equals 4, and that's what we have to balance it out to. So just put a 1 right here, which equals 2. So you would go 4, 4, 1, because this was already 1, you're just adding 1 more, and 4. So now we have balanced out the equation, we can go on and start the long process of the problem. So knowing that we have to decompose 15.6 grams, and we are looking at H2O2. Now we have to multiply it, and on the bottom we have to find the product of H2O2 mass. So what we have to do is H times 2 equals 2.02, and then O times 2 equals 32, and if we add those together, it equals 34.02. So it's going to be 34.02 grams H2O2, and knowing there's going to be 2 moles. Now, for the next step, we have to find O2 moles. So right here, showing that there's only going to be 1 mole, we have to go 1 mole O2, and then there are 2 moles right here. So 2 moles of H2O2. Next, we have to multiply again and do 32 G of O2. Knowing that there is only 1 mole of oxygen to the second, we have to put 1 mole O2. Now we can figure out the rest of the problem. So what we are going to do is 15.6 times 2 times 1 times 32. And then we have to add that with 15.6 divided by 34.02 times 2 times 1, which will give us the answer of 58.699. And because of only 3 sig figs, we have to round it off to 58.699. 0.7 grams of O2. Thank you.